गोंय उजो पालोवपी दळाची शुक्रारा पासिंग आउट परेड जाली. आतां मेरेन दळान 34,000 जवानांक प्रशिक्षण दिवन तयार केल्यात, अशी माहिती उजो पालोवपी दळाचे मुखेल अधिकारी अशोक मेनन हांणी दिल्या. ह्या वेळार उलयतना गोंय विधानसभेचे सभापती डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हांणी उजो पालोवपी दळाच्या ह्या उपक्रमा खातीर तोखणाय केल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोली.
First of all, I congratulate all the trainees, those who have passed out from this 6 months training course. I congratulate for the award winners also. I'm very happy to note that the activity of the Goa State Fire Training Centers is training not only for our own personnel, but also giving extending facilities to the other government departments, industries and commerce to get their staff trained. It is a matter of pride for the state that our training center is recognized by the Government of India as the regional training center for the Ministry of the Home Affairs and the Government of India for the junior officer course. As at the beginning of anyone's career, though the induction of the training makes the discipline and competent, I exhaust the trainee passing out today to maintain the best discipline and the physical fitness so that they can comfort their duties to the best of their capacity.
We are organizing the passing out parade of the trainees who have been deputed by the Arunachal Pradesh Fire and Emergency Services, the Daman Diu Fire and Emergency Services and the Goa Fire and Emergency Services. In all we have 70 fire personnel who are being passing out after rigorous 6 months course in elementary firefighting. Our training center, since its inception, has trained almost 34,000 fire personnel, and this includes from the union territories, the states, and government, petrochemical industry, and also from the private agencies such as hospitality industry and the industries as well. The Goa State Fire Force Training Center is also recognized by the Ministry of Home Affairs to train sub-officers course, to conduct the sub-officers course. And our trainers have been doing commendable job in imparting this training. Firefighters from Arunachal Pradesh and 33 firefighters from Daman and Diu.
मैं अपने कर्तव्यों का पालन देशभक्ति ईमानदारी और निष्पक्षता से करूंगा जिससे भारत की एकता अखंडता तथा प्रभुता कायम रहे। मैं अपनी वफादारी हमेशा अग्निशमन दल के प्रति कायम रखूंगा, चाहे उसके लिए मुझे हवा, पानी, भूमि या आग से लड़ना पड़े। मैं आज यह भी प्रण करता हूं कि मैं अपने वरिष्ठ अधिकारियों की आज्ञाओं का पालन करने से पीछे नहीं हटूंगा।
We take batches as and when they come. So far from during the monsoon season up to September we will have a lean period, where we will train. We are also training the SDRF component of the Goa Police, Home Guard and Civil Defence, which is already two batches we have trained of 20 personnel each, and that will continue for the next 6 months as well.